way.
You're gonna catch some big shrimp. Big shrimp.
I'm a mahi mahi.
So you could make some shrimp spaghetti.
Shrimp hamburger.
Yeah, babe. How's it feel to catch shrimp?
I'm gonna catch a shark.
I don't know.
Nah, I'm good. I don't know.
What's that? What's that?
Some shrimp and boat.
Not a shrimp and boat. Ew.
No. You guys see all those fish over there? Oh, you're gonna fish? We out here. We out here with the shrimp and boat. Right, babe? How's it feel to go out and go shrimping? Nice.
Hey, never know. That's a lot of money.
I don't know, I'm just out here just spending time with the family, trying to make food for my family,
Why are you like looking away? Look at the camera.
He's trying